It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 1st of June. I'm James Spann. Most of the state dry today, but rain chances will gradually increase over the latter half of the week as moisture levels rise. Here's the upper air look across the country today. We have broad troughing west of the state, and that will slowly approach in coming days. Most of the rain still well west of Alabama early this morning. That was the radar a little before 5 o'clock. Rain over parts of Arkansas and North Louisiana. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s to start today. A few spots in the upper 50s. Highs will be in the 80s today, very close to seasonal averages. We've got flash flood watches west of the state for parts of Arkansas, Oklahoma, Texas. Got a chance of severe storms west of Alabama, just a marginal risk over parts of Louisiana, Arkansas, the Mississippi Delta back into Texas and some of the adjacent states. Tomorrow, a marginal risk kind of clipping that northwestern corner of the state, up around the Shoals and Russellville, Hamilton, Athens, places like that. Day 3, which is Thursday, got a risk of severe storms up around Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The bigger numbers again for the eastern half of Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, and northwest Alabama. Up around the Shoals, this is suggesting rain amounts there could exceed 2 inches. For Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, and Point South, rain amounts around 1/2 inch over the next 7 days. And the hurricane season begins today in the Atlantic Basin, but things are very quiet now and should be for the rest of the week. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid today at 4. There's that trough west of the state. And again, the bulk of the rain will likely be west of Alabama. We'll call it partially sunny today with mid-80s. That's the high-res NAM at 4 o'clock, showing, again, pretty much dry conditions. Tomorrow, moisture levels continue to rise. This is the high-res NAM tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, suggesting we'll have some showers and thunderstorms around in the morning hours. And we're going to mention that in the forecast. So tomorrow will be a mostly cloudy day with a chance of showers, maybe some thunder during the morning. And then by afternoon, things thin out. The showers become more widely scattered. Highs tomorrow should be upper 70s and low 80s because of the cloud cover. This is Thursday, and again, there'll be some chance of scattered showers and storms around. And we're getting into the season. We're telling you exactly when and where it rains is almost impossible with the random type convection we get. Highs on Thursday, low 80s. Pretty much the same thing on Friday, and really the same thing for the weekend. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. On both days, we'll have scattered showers and storms around. It will not rain all day over the weekend. The sky will be cloudy at times. If you got something planned outdoors, just be aware there'll be scattered showers and storms about. The better chance during the afternoon and evening hours, but with the very moist air mass, we can't rule out the chance of a late night or morning shower. Highs for the weekend will be most likely in the low 80s. And really the same thing on Monday, and this is a week from today, Tuesday, June 8th. Got a 594 upper high around Chesapeake Bay. Kind of stretching in here, but again, clearly there'll be scattered showers and storms around. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, June the 10th. Got troughing over the Corn Belt, a flat ridge here. And again, that looks pretty quiet, but there certainly could be a few scattered afternoon showers around. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches, but we caution you in summer. These are pretty tough to draw because of the random scattered nature of the rain we get every day. Highs mostly in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s on through next week. And the CPC outlook, June 8th through June 14th, that this verifies temperatures here would be pretty close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.